Welcome to our video on the classic personal finance book, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. This book, first published in 1926, has stood the test of time and continues to be a must-read for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. Throughout the book, Clason uses parables set in ancient Babylon to illustrate timeless principles of money management, such as the power of saving and investing, the importance of knowledge and education, and the value of setting and achieving goals. In this video, we'll be summarizing the key takeaways from the book and sharing our own personal insights and reflections. So, whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to improve your current situation, this video is for you. Let's dive in and discover the secrets to achieving financial success as revealed in The Richest Man in Babylon. Start thy purse to fattening. This principle encourages individuals to develop the habit of saving at least 10% of their income. By consistently setting aside a portion of their earnings, individuals can build a strong financial foundation and gradually accumulate wealth over time. It is a key step in the journey of wealth creation, as it establishes the discipline of savings and the mindset of putting money away for future needs. Control thy expenditures. This principle stresses the importance of living below one's means. By being mindful of their spending and avoiding unnecessary expenses, individuals can ensure that they are saving and investing enough to reach their financial goals. It means to prioritize your spending and put your money towards the things that matter most to you, and to avoid frivolous spending that doesn't align with your values and goals. Make thy goal multiply. This principle encourages individuals to invest in profitable ventures. By putting their money to work in smart, strategic ways, individuals can grow their wealth and achieve financial independence. The idea is to invest your savings in ways that will earn more money, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or business ventures. This principle is about finding ways to earn more than what you save, and to create a self-sustaining wealth generation machine. Guard thy treasures from loss. This principle emphasizes the importance of diversifying and protecting one's investments. By spreading their money across multiple investments and safeguarding their assets, individuals can minimize their risk and maximize their potential for growth. Diversification means to spread your investments across different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash, and to avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. It also means to protect your investments with insurance and to take steps to minimize taxes, fraud, and other risks. Make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. This principle encourages individuals to own property and make it earn money for them. By purchasing a home or rental property and renting it out, individuals can earn a steady income stream that can help them reach their financial goals. It is about owning a property that generates cash flow and increases in value over time, rather than just a place to live. Ensure future income. This principle stresses the importance of planning for retirement and unexpected expenses. By setting aside money for the future and investing in long-term savings vehicles, individuals can ensure a stable income stream and financial security in their later years. This principle is about creating a long-term savings plan, such as a retirement account, and making sure that you have enough money saved to cover unexpected expenses. Increase thy ability to earn. This principle emphasizes the importance of continuously improving one's skills and knowledge. By learning new skills and expanding one's expertise, individuals can increase their earning potential and achieve greater financial success. This principle is about investing in yourself and your career, so that you can earn more money over time. It also means to keep learning and staying relevant in your field, so you can be prepared for new opportunities and advancements. Learn to make your money work for you. This principle encourages individuals to understand the principles of investing and compound interest. By learning how to make their money work for them, individuals can grow their wealth and achieve financial independence. It is about understanding how money grows over time and how to invest it in ways that will earn more money. It also means to understand the power of compound interest and how it can help your money grow exponentially over time. Learn wisdom from the ways of a seed. This principle encourages individuals to be patient and persistent in their efforts to build wealth. Just as a seed takes time to grow into a tree, building wealth takes time and effort. It emphasizes the importance of being patient and persistent in your efforts to build wealth and not giving up too soon. It's a reminder that wealth creation is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires consistent effort, time, and patience to see the fruits of your labor. It also means that you have to be willing to put in the work and be consistent in your efforts over time. Learn wisdom from the mistakes of others. This principle stresses the importance of avoiding the financial mistakes of others. By learning from the experiences of others, individuals can make better financial decisions and achieve greater success in their own lives. This principle is about learning from the experiences of others, whether good or bad, so you can make better financial decisions. It means that you can learn from the mistakes of others and avoid making the same ones, and also learn from the successes of others and replicate them. This is a powerful way to speed up your learning curve and achieve success faster. It also means to be open to learning and to seek out mentors and role models who can guide you along the way. In conclusion, The Richest Man in Babylon is a timeless classic that offers valuable lessons on how to build wealth and achieve financial success. The book's key principles, such as start thy purse to fattening, control thy expenditures, make thy gold multiply, guard thy treasures from loss, make of thy dwelling a profitable investment, ensure future income, increase thy ability to earn, learn to make your money work for you, learn wisdom from the ways of a seed, and learn wisdom from the mistakes of others. Provide practical guidance for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. By following these principles, individuals can take control of their finances, build wealth, and achieve financial independence. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found the information provided helpful and informative. If you did, please give us a thumbs up by liking the video and help us reach more people by sharing it with your friends and family. Remember, knowledge shared is knowledge squared. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such content. We will be releasing new videos regularly and we don't want you to miss out on any of them. Thank you again for watching and we'll see you in the next one.